In today's video, I'm gonna help you a lot, everyone who suffers from joint problems. Maybe you have knee arthritis, hip arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, problems with your back, any kind of similar kind of problems. This video could really change your life. I'm gonna recommend you specific natural remedies that help a lot of my patients and are gonna help you a lot. What if I told you there were natural compounds that could eliminate joint pain in as little as 24 hours without damaging your gut, kidney, or your liver? Meet Cetyl Myristoleate, or CMO, a fatty acid that revolutionizing natural joint support. Stick around because I'm going to show you how it works, what science says, and how you can start using it today. What is Cetyl Myristoleate? CMO is a natural occurring fatty acid first discovered in 1970s. Scientists noticed that certain mice simply never develop arthritis, and after investigation the key was found: they produce CMO. Since then, research has shown that CMO helps regulate the body inflammatory response, the root cause of most joint pain and the stiffness. It's not about lubrication of the joints like many think. Instead, it helps calm down inflammation at the source, especially in the areas like knees, hips, hands, and the shoulders. This is unbelievably important. This is perfect natural remedies that you really can now easily find in the food healthy store, and you can use it in the first and the almost safe and natural way. Let's break it down. Inside your body are two major inflammatory pathways, COX and LOX, or lipoxygenase. These are like biochemical highways that produce flow in inflammatory molecules, the one responsible for swelling, pain, and the stiffness. CMO helps block one of the most important of these 5 LOX enzymes. By inhibiting 5-LOX, CMO reduces the production of leukotrienins and prostaglandins compound that drive joint inflammation. And the result, what is the result when you take in CMO each day, is going to be less inflammation, less stiffness, less swelling, generally unbelievably healthy joints. As I said it many times before, this is what I recommend to my patient and helps a lot of them in the last 20 years. I believe it's going to help you a lot. Unlike ibuprofen or similar kind of chemical medication, which masks symptoms temporarily, CMO works with your body to promote long-term healing. Clinical reports and user experience have shown improved range of motion, better flexibility, reduce pain with daily movement, quicker recovery after physical activity, and the best part, it's gentle on your stomach, non-toxic, and does not interfere with other medication. No more worrying about ulcers, blood pressure spikes, or long-term side effects from synthetic drugs. As I said it, always try to live healthy life and find base natural remedies for your diseases, because they don't have almost in every cases any kind of side effects. You really must know when you take synthetic chemical drugs each day, you take a lot of side effects with them, and you will try avoid them, and you will do this in a simple natural way. So who should consider CMO? If you're experiencing morning stiffness, trouble getting from the chair, pain when walking, climbing the stairs, or lifting your arms, or even chronic conditions like arthritis, fibromyalgia, and psoriasis, CMO might be exactly what you need. It's also helpful for autoimmune disease, where your body attacks its own tissues like rheumatoid arthritis or lupus, because it supports a balanced immune response. Even tension headaches, which are linked to inflammatory triggers, you may benefit with CMO. So now that you know a little bit more about CMO, now you really need to understand how you can use CMO in everyday uses for your arthritic changes. CMO is available in capsules, topical creams, and powdered supplements. Most people start with 250 to 1500 milligrams per day. Divide it into 2 or 3 doses, especially if you're using high amounts. Take it with meals to improve absorption and reduce risk of stomach upset. Although side effects are very rare. And remember why you can get small amount of CMO from food like full fat dairy, beef fat or fish oil. The functional dose need to be pain relief comes with supplements. Always consult your healthcare provider for exact dosage and make sure it's right for you. CMO works best as a part of holistic joint care routine. Here I would recommend it. Eat an anti-inflammatory diet. Think wild salmon, olive oil, turmeric and leafy green. Try gentle movements like Tai Chi or yoga. Stay hydrated and keep your weight in the healthy range. Get good quality sleep. That's what tissue repairs happen. Try live healthy life, eat healthy, and use CMO as a natural supplement for your daily problems with your joint inflammation, stiffness, and similar kind of condition. If you have any kind of information about CMO, please comment below the video. If you didn't already, subscribe to my channel. For the last 25 years, I've been working with the patients all around the world. My personal specialty is going to be natural remedies, nutrition, physical therapy and rehabilitation. And if you want to get better and if you want to cure your diseases, call MarioLab Center in Zagreb, Croatia on phone number +385 9891 79200, and you have 2 options how I can help you. You can come to my office, you can arrange the meeting, that is going to be great. Also, if you cannot come to my office, that is totally fine. We, over the last 20 years, we do it phone consultations with the patients all around the world. You can call us, book the meeting in our office, or of course phone consultations, and everything is going to be perfect. And I will be making perfect special natural remedies program with best natural remedies just for you. I'm also author of 3 books about nutrition and natural remedies. My 3 books is called Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity. This is first book, and second and third book is going to call Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 1 and Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 2. All of these books are available to right now on my website MarioLab.hr. Everything is in the description below. We send all our books to all over the world, and I believe my books about nutrition and natural remedies can help you a lot. Thank you, my dear viewers. See you in the next video. Bye bye.